Now what are consecutive numbers? Consecutive numbers are numbers that are coming one after another. Numbers in their counting order, numbers that follow each other are consecutive numbers. Say for example 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They come one after another, so they are consecutive numbers. And next one is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. These do not come one after another, so they are not consecutive numbers. 1, 2, 4, then 3 that should be here is coming now, 6, 7, so they are also not in sequence, so they are also not consecutive numbers. 15, 16, 17, 18, these are coming in proper sequence one after the another, so this is also consecutive number. Now consecutive even number, here we have seen that the difference between the two is 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. But here when you take even number, consecutive even numbers, you will have to add plus 2 every time. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, every time plus 2 is added. So this is a consecutive even number. And if you take 2, 6, 10, 12, here 8 is missing, here 4 is missing, 12, 16, 14 is missing. So these are even numbers, but these are not consecutive even numbers. They are not, they cannot be a consecutive even number because they don't occur in sequence. Consecutive odd numbers. Now 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. These are consecutive odd numbers because all these are odd numbers and they are coming one after another. Plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. When you do plus 2 with every number, you get the next odd number. So these are consecutive odd numbers. Here also we have to do plus 2. Like in for even numbers, here also you have to do plus 2. But here you have to do just plus 1. And this sequence 1, 2. 2 is not an odd number, so this is not a consecutive odd integers. 1, 2, 5, 6. Again 6 is an even number. 8, 9. So this is also not a consecutive odd integers sequence. Now here we have to first form the equation for the given statement and then solve it. So what is the statement? The sum of two consecutive numbers is 25. Then find the numbers. So if we find the two consecutive numbers, we don't know the number. So first number we will put as x and the another number will be x plus 1. So these will be the two consecutive numbers. Numbers that come one after another are called consecutive numbers. So when we add these two numbers, you will get 25. So in equation form, if we put this up, x plus 1, these are the two numbers, addition of them is 25. So if we open the bracket, x plus 1 is equal to 25. So this can be added and we can get 2x, and 1 can be transferred to the other side. Here it is carrying plus sign, so on the other side it will carry minus sign. 25 minus 1. So 2x is equal to 25 minus 1. 2x is equal to, now this my 1 will be subtracted from this and you will get 24. Now 2 can come here and it can go in the division part as it is here in the multiplication form. X is equal to 24 by 2. Now this can be cancelled and you will get 12. So x is equal to 12 is the answer. Now this is the first number that we have got. This is the first number. This will be 12. Then the other number will be, it will be x plus 1, that means 12 plus 1, that means 13. The other number will be 13 and the first number will be 12. Now we have to find the numbers for the given statement. The sum of three consecutive odd numbers is 51. find the numbers. Now we have to take three consecutive numbers, but here the consecutive numbers are odd numbers. That means if I have 3, then next consecutive number will be 5, then next consecutive odd number will be 7. So here every time I am doing plus 2 plus 2. Okay, so if this is the example, if I have a number that is unknown, then I will take it as x. The next consecutive odd number will be x plus 2. The next consecutive odd number will be x plus 4. So these will be the three consecutive odd numbers, unknown odd numbers, and the sum of these is 51. So if we add them up, x plus 2 plus x plus 4 is equal to 51. Now we can open up the brackets. X plus 2 plus x plus 4, nothing will happen because there is just plus sign outside the bracket. 51. Now all the x terms we can add. Here how many x terms are there? 3 x terms are there. So in total we can write 3x plus what are the numbers? 2 and 4, and we add them, we will get 6 is equal to 51. Now 6 can go to the other side and it will go as minus 6. So we will get 3x is equal to 51 minus 6. Now 51 minus 6 will be equal to 45. So we will write it in the next step. 3x is equal to 45. Now here 3x, here 3 can go to the other side. Here it is in the multiplication form, so it will go in the division form to the other side. So we will get x is equal to 45 by 3. Now 3 can divide 45 and we will get 15. Now x is equal to 15. This is the first odd number. We have to find two more odd numbers which will come after it. So x is the first odd number, x plus 2 is the second odd number. That means we will get 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. So 15 is first odd number, 17 is second odd number, and x plus 4 is equal to 15 plus 4, that means equal to 19, and 19 will be the third odd number. So these three are the odd numbers that we are looking for. Now here we have to find two numbers such that the sum of two consecutive even numbers is 38. Find the numbers. Now if we take consecutive even numbers, so they are supposed to 4, 6, 8. So here what are we doing? We are every time adding plus 2 to every number. So this is just an example. If we have to find here, go through this statement, we are having two consecutive even numbers which are unknown. So if we take first consecutive even number as x, the next consecutive even number will be x plus 2. So if these two are the consecutive even numbers, their sum is 38. So x plus, this is the first number and this is the another number, x plus 2. Adding these two, we will get 38 according to the statement. Now if we open the bracket, we will get x plus 2. Nothing will happen because plus sign is there. Now we can add these two x terms. We will get 2x plus 2 is equal to 38. Now 2 here can go to the other side and it will carry then minus sign. So here we will write 2x is equal to 38 minus 2. Now we can subtract this and we will get 36. So we will write 2x is equal to 36. Now this 2 here is in multiplication form. If it goes to the other side, it goes into division form. X is equal to 36 by 2. Now it is easily divisible and we will get 18. So the first consecutive number is 18 and the next consecutive number is x plus 2, that means 18 plus 2, that means 20. So the two numbers are 18 and 20. Now here the given statement is the sum of three consecutive even numbers is 156. What is the smallest number? Now here we don't have to find three numbers, we just have to find the smallest number. Now if we consider three consecutive even numbers, like they are like 2, 4, 6, 8. So here what we are doing, we are every time adding plus 2 to the earlier number. So the numbers will be like that, which will have difference of 2. So we will take any unknown number, say x, and the another consecutive even number will be x plus 2. Here it is even, they need even consecutive numbers, that is why we are adding plus 2. X plus 4. So these three will be the unknown numbers, consecutive even numbers. They are even, that is why we are adding plus 2. If they were not even, we would not have added plus 2, we would have taken just plus 1. So these are the three consecutive even numbers and their sum is 156. So x first number plus x plus 2 second number plus x plus 4 third number, and their sum is 156. So here we will open up the bracket. It's easy, nothing will change. X plus 2 plus x plus 4 is equal to 156. Now we can add all the x terms. 3x terms are here, so we will get 3x plus 2 and 4 can be added, we will get 6 and is equal to 156. Now 6 can go to the other side and then to the other side it will carry negative sign. That means 3x is equal to 156 minus 6. Now 156 minus 6 will be 150. So we will get 3x is equal to 150. Now 3 here can go to the other side. Here it is in multiplication form, it will go to the other side as division. X is equal to 150 by 3. It is easily divisible. It will, see, if we don't consider 0 here, it is 15. So 3 can easily be divided by 15, we will get 5 and then we will add on 0. So it is 50. So x is equal to 50. This is the smallest number. The next numbers will be plus 2 and plus 4. So they are obviously bigger numbers. So we have got the answer. We don't need to solve anything else. Now here it is little bit trickier. Here we have to find three consecutive odd integers such that the sum of twice the first, the second and 3 times the third is 152. So we have to first take three consecutive odd integers like x, x plus 2 and x plus 4. So these are the three consecutive odd integers. Every time we have to add plus 2 plus 2. Okay. Now the sum of twice the first. Now we are going to take sum, not straight away, but we have to change them little bit. Twice the first means 2 times x. The second number will be as it is, x plus 2, and the 3 times the third one. That means 3 times, this is the third number, x plus 4, 3 times of this third number. We have to add all these three numbers, then we will get 152. That means the equation formed will be 2x plus x plus 2. This is the second number, this is the first number, and 3 times the third number is 152. Now when we open the brackets, we will get 2x plus x plus 2 plus, now 3 times x plus 4 is there. That means 3x and 3 multiplied by 4 will be 12. So it will be 3x plus, it will multiply to both these, 12, and answer is 152. Now x terms we will first find for x terms. 3 x terms are there. 2x plus x is 3x plus 3x is 6x. So 6x in total, x term will be 6x. And now numbers are 2 and 12. So adding these two, we will get 14 is equal to 152. Now this number can go to the other side, as it is carrying plus sign here. On the other side it will carry negative sign. So it will become as 6x is equal to 152 minus 14. Now 152 minus 14 can be solved, and we will get 6x is equal to 138. Now x here is in the multiplication form. If it goes to the other side, it will go in the division form. X is equal to 138 divided by 6. Now here if we divide these two, we will get as 23. If you divide it, you will get the answer 23. So x is equal to 23. So the first number is 23. The second number is x plus 2. That means 23 plus 2. That means equal to 25. The next number will be x plus 4 is equal to 23 plus 4 is equal to 27. So these are the three consecutive odd numbers: 23, 25 and 27.